Hey everyone! Different spaces, different needs. Today, we're putting the FunClean mop bucket and the G1 compact bucket to the test to see which one works better for small apartments and larger homes. First up, mobility. The FunClean mop bucket uses fixed dual wheels, solid and steady, but limited in movement. You'll often need to stop and adjust the bucket's direction, which slows down the whole cleaning process. The G1 compact bucket, on the other hand, comes with 360 swivel wheels that glide smoothly around furniture and corners. It rolls effortlessly on tile, wood floors, and even carpet. No more dragging or getting stuck. Next, cleaning performance. The FunClean bucket is large and roomy, but the wash and spin areas share the same space, so dirty water can mix back in. The G1 compact bucket features a clean and dirty water separation system, meaning every rinse uses fresh water for a deeper, more hygienic clean. Now for drainage. FunClean uses a piston-style drain plug. Just pull it out and let the water flow. No heavy lifting required. It's simple and practical, especially for older users, though it drains a bit slower. The G1 Compact upgrades to dual drain outlets, releasing water twice as fast with better control and less splashing. In short, FunClean is great for families who value capacity and affordability. G1 Compact is made for those who want efficiency, comfort, and a smoother cleaning experience. We started with the classics, and now we're stepping into the future.